Hi guys, MyTechTalks back again in another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the JBL Clip 4. Let me just adjust the lighting real quick. Yeah, we're going to be doing an unboxing on the JBL Clip 4. Here it is, guys. I got a bit excited and I already kind of half opened this up, but do you know what? Let's rip this open. So, in this video I'm going to be doing just an unboxing of the JBL Clip 4 right here. Got the black one, I think it was around 40 quid. You can get yours at the link below. So we're just going to be doing an unboxing on this JBL Clip 4 today, and then in future videos we're going to be doing a sound test, a durability drop test, and a couple of other tests. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that. Put a comment down below if you want to see that, and also put a thumbs up. And let me go get my unboxing knife real quick. Okay guys, I'm back. So, got my unboxing knife. I got this on Amazon for around £40, something like that, but they retail for around 50. So this is the JBL Clip 4. I'm also going to be doing a sound test. JBL GO 3 versus the Clip 4. If you want to see that, put a like on this video. That's going to be pretty cool. Okay. So, you've got Dare to Listen, you've got a bit of branding on the back, JBL branding, you've got 10-hour battery life right there, and you've got an IP67 water resistant dust rating. It looks pretty good. So, Bluetooth 5.1, so that's pretty good. Let's see if I can unbox this without destroying the packaging. There we go, guys. Let's open it up. I think I did destroy the packaging a little bit. Oh well. So, let's open this one up. Get rid of the packaging. So, let's shut the speaker down. Would have been nice to see some more eco-friendly packaging, to be honest, but there we go. Oh. Before you chuck that away, the charging cable is in the bottom. It's a USB-C charging cable, USB-A on the other side, and this is a good quality one because it hasn't got the little line in the middle, which is good, much appreciated. So let's get rid of that. So let's have a look at the size between these two. They're around the same size. This one's a little bit thinner actually. Is it? Yeah, it's about the same. My hands are quite large, so with the benefits of having the Clip 4 being in the name, you've got a little clip. That's actually a good design. Goes into that little slot right down there. Black one looks the best, so I went for that, and plus it was the cheapest and it was on sale, so I went for that as well. So you've got a little clip, you can attach it to pretty much anything actually. You could do that if you wanted. A 2-in-1. Shame you can't connect them together. That's unfortunate. Okay. So you've got USB-C down at the bottom, good material, nice rubber stopper on the bottom, so you can attach this to pretty much anything within that gap. Probably not your like bicycle handles, but you can also attach it to bags and stuff like that, which is brilliant. Let's power it on and I'll connect it to my phone. So right here you've got the power on button and the Bluetooth pairing button right there. So let's see if it's got any charge and turn it on. Okay, it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. Let me go get my phone real quick. Okay, just gonna connect it up. I'm gonna put this song on. It's an NCS song. Find it linked below if you want to hear that. It's my song. Okay, so let me put it in pairing mode. Yes, I've got a OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm filming on a iPhone 8 because I've got a Mac and it's just easier doing it like that. Might invest in a camera later on. Depends on how it all goes. So, okay, let's go into the pairing mood right now. If I can find the settings for this phone. Still getting used to stuff. Okay, so you're in Bluetooth. I don't think it has NFC. Near field communication. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, so it should pop up as pair a new device. JBL Clip 4. Allow. Pair. And there we go. So let's swap back onto this song and okay, let's go. First song. Okay, ads. Do you know what though? First impressions. That's got quite a bit of bass. It's got quite a bit of bass. Ah, there's a battery indicator right there. That's convenient. Okay, 50%. Okay guys, that's all for the unboxing video. Subscribe if you want to see the sound test and all the durability tests I'm going to be doing on this speaker. And that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.